Hello guys, this is LFX. This is my view on USD card. Let me upload short video. So kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I have a demand zone, and this is the trader crash on Thursday. On Thursday. I think it's on Thursday or Wednesday. Thursday or Wednesday. So say a break of structure here. Then my point of interest and my supply zone. I take myself to the downside. And now I'm waiting for market to pull back into my supply zone. So then for me to know this my zone will be valid, I need to see something like this. Stop above target downside. So let me show you. I need choppy movement to my point of interest. In the market to break down, to go up, mitigate, start breaking structure to the upside. Then I'll wait to see change of card. Then I take my sales to the downside. Or I can even enter aggressively. Thank you.